This is an ATS/Felons US-2000L. ATS makes the machine, Felons sells it here in the United States. The US is for ultrasonic, which is the kind of bander this is. Some of them are heat, some of them are ultrasonic. The ultrasonic has some advantages in that it a little less maintenance, a little less heating, a little less electricity use. The L is for the loop. This is a loop style, so it actually shoots a loop up every cycle instead of having an arch. There's about 5 functions here. This feeds more material if you need a little bigger loop. This resets the machine if you need to reset it for any reason. It's that easy. This is your tension adjustment, how much tension it puts on the product before it seals it. This is how big of a loop you want. And this is a soft function. We'll turn that on in a minute here. Essentially, it just doesn't go very tight on the product. You have just a couple of soft items to band. It's got a side guide here to set where you line your material up, a rear guide back here, 2 sensors, which are how it actuates to run the machine each cycle. It's automatic. And underneath here, this is set up with a large capacity feeder, which means it takes the big rolls. Some of the rolls are only about this big. This takes rolls up to like that big diameter, or radius, I suppose. It saves you on saves you a lot of money on consumables because they're cheaper by the larger roll. So I can band a few things here. So you can turn soft on if you have a certain product you want to put too much tension on. And we'll just do a loose band. Now, if this was a fluffy, there's more air in this paper, it would have, still put some little bit of tension on it. That's the soft function that it has. We can do taller products as well. If we want to do something larger, you just increase your loop size, reset the machine. So this material's been sitting in the machine for a couple of weeks. Doesn't exactly have good rigidity, but a fresh roll won't do that.